Okay, hello everyone. This is our project, PoliceSmart, by group number SR30, Code Squad. So this is the problem statement we chose was smart policing system, and the main implementation of it we came up with is a smart policing software or a portal which both citizens as well as police can use to access crimes in their area and manage the police time effectively, thus reducing the workload and increasing the efficiency of police force in, for example, Mumbai. The main objectives of our project were uh, to improve the working condition and efficiency of police officers, to improve transparency between general public and the police force, and to reduce malpractice and misconduct by police officer by active complaint and response cycle. And a basic and very user-friendly UI, so normal citizens can also use without any much problems. So we would first like to show the flowchart of our project. So this is the basic flowchart how our portal works. So the portal first welcomes you with a login page, which we use basic file-based authentication for the login, and there is login for both citizens and police, and they have to choose whether they want a citizen or a police login. If you citizen login, they are prompted to either to lodge a complaint, they report a crime, or they can also see the basic stats of the crimes in their area. Once they log a complaint, the complaint is registered in our database and it can later be accessed by the police officers through their user login. Also, we also created a ML model. We also created and deployed an ML model that classifies the crime and assigns the police officer depending on the severity of the crime. The higher the severity of crime, the senior police officers are assigned. For example, murders and rapes are assigned higher level civil officers like ASP. Uh, we use a, we used Bayesian classifier to achieve the same. The second ML model we built, sorry, we use decision tree for that. We use decision tree classification for achieving the same result. So the second ML model we built was NLP classifier, and it was mainly used for detecting false alarms by detecting false alarm reports, and thus sending the reports to review to the police before registering them as FIRs. So I would like to show you the login and site. So after entering the police, citizen can log in into this portal. They can enter their first name. For example, it's their Aadhaar number, phone number, and password. Password should be minimum 6 characters, as it doesn't allow characters below than 6, as it is less secure. And email address also should include at that site. Once we click sign up, the data is updated in real time to our Firebase database in real time. So yeah, here you can view the recent logins and all the details. Once the citizen has logged in, they are redirected to the complaint portal where they can enter their name, for example, Mayur, yeah, Aadhaar number, victim name, the crime which is the victim of the crime, date of the crime, place, crime type, and the citizens can describe the crime in their own language, and this description is run through the NLP model we built to classify it further, and they can also add images to the
Social crime like suppose we're adding gunpoint.
gunfire. Yeah. So once the thing is submitted, we can see that the complaint is registered in the database. Yeah. We also use this data to run analytics and show the reports using Power BI. So here's it. So all the crimes registered till now would be automatically used to generate a report, which shows the frequency of the crime, the various crime rates in different areas, and map view of the crime
Where the
yeah
crimes have happened.
happen. And this is accessible to both police as well as citizens to increase the transparency of the system.
And another issue.
Yeah, the ML model we built, I'd like to show you. Yeah. So citizens can also access this ML model to see what kind of police officers would be assigned to their case. For example, we would
Suppose if we input rape in case type and money lost 1,000 rupees or 10,000 rupees, the rank of officer needed for this case is ASP. And suppose if I put another value that is burglary and money lost is 1 lakh, If we didn't expect to solve this case.
Yeah, so we use decision tree to make such decisions by our ML model, and this will be directly updated in the portal, and the respective officers will be assigned according to their designation. So I think that's it. This is our project, and
And if you want to look at our data set or something,
yeah, so data.
this is a model first.
Yeah, this is the model we built.
And data set we have used.
Yeah, to train the model.
Between the model, we have used decision tree.
We achieved the accuracy of 75%, which is pretty good compared relatively for decision trees. Yeah, this is the accuracy. If we get more data, as the citizens add more and more data, the accuracy would increase.
Increase, yeah.
Yeah. The second model we built about sentiment analysis. This is the data we trained on, and various labels. This is the data.
So if we took it from Kaggle,
It was extracted from the various news publications around the country, mainly Delhi. It was used to train mainly on data of Delhi.
then some like data cleaning was done to remove string numbers and all. And we used naive bias for the classification error in it. And we got an accuracy of 88%. So these were the models. These are Firebase for everything.
So this was our project. So this was our project, and hope you liked it. Thanks.
And second, if you want to see, look at our
Code.
coding them done.
Yeah. Also, sorry, I forgot to mention the tech stack we used was Firebase for database and user authentication. For front end, we use Bootstrap and a basic HTML, CSS, and for data analytics, we use Power BI, and for that's all. I think that's all. And Jupyter Notebook and Python for and model. So thank you.
Thank you.